is breakdown test of transformer oil. Aim of the experiment to conduct breakdown test on transformer oil as per Indian standard 6792. Why we have to do this experiment? In order to test the transformer oil breakdown strength, because transformer oil is using as a cooling oil for the purpose of reducing the temperature in transformer or in any electrical devices where transformer oil is used as a cooling material. So in your lab, this is the circuit diagram for breakdown test of a transformer oil. So you can observe the source what we received from outside is 230 volts single phase 50 Hz AC. I have to test the transformer oil at a kilovolt range. So I need a transformer which can step up the input 230 volts to higher voltage of 60 kilovolt, for example. At higher voltage, so we need a transformer of 230 bar 60 kilovolt, and also we need auto transformer, and also we need an voltmeter which is an AC voltmeter, because applied voltage is also AC, the transformer is AC, and the meter which is going to measure the voltage is also AC, the symbol is AC, and the voltmeter range is 0 to 60 kilovolt. And this is the transformer oil kit apparatus. It is a glass apparatus where you can fill the oil in the tank. This is a spear gaps in order to apply the high voltage, where you can see if I keep on applying a voltage from 0 to 60 kilovolt, at certain voltage value this will break down and you can see the spark that we will show in the. So now we have to set the distance between two spheres. But in your lab experiment, no need to set, because already we have presetted this value of 2.5 mm gap between the sphere rod, which you can see now. This is what the transformer oil tank, and inside you can see the transformer oil, and you can see the sphere rod, and the gap between the sphere rod is also already maintained and it is preset. The distance between the rod is already preset, no need to set. Only thing we have to confirm whether the transformer is oil tank is closed properly, and this should be, the entire kit should be closed rigidly, and you have to fix this cap so that in between experiment nobody should open this setup. So this starting 230 volt single phase we will receive from the main control source. Here you will receive that voltage. Next, the stepping up of the voltage from 230 to any higher value within 60 kilovolt will be done by this transformer, also called as variac or auto transformer. This is the voltmeter where you can see the breakdown voltage of the transformer oil, where you can see the breakdown voltage. There are so many switches you can observe, which we have already given in the lab manual also. This is what the kit and control pan. So this is what the kit and control pan. So you can see here, unit ready, this is unit ready, then HT limit, and this is memory push button, then the voltmeter, then the transformer, 0 to 60 kilovolt oil test kit, then HT on. This light will indicate whether HT high tension, the transformer is ready or not. Next is HT off. We will explain what all this. Then this is a push button for HT to be turned on, and this is mains on. So when you turn on the 230 volts, this light should turn on. And next, this is the fuse. If anything goes wrong, it will turn off. Then this is the main switch. Once you switch on the mains 230, you have to make sure this switch is also on. So what is the procedure? The first thing you should confirm, fill the transformer tank with 80% of the tank should be filled with the oil. the oil which you want to be tested should be filled 80% in the tank what we shown previously. This tank, it should be filled 80% with the test oil. Next, close the door of the transformer oil where you placed, then switch on the main supply using toggle switch. Mains on, HT of indicator will glow. This is the main switch. Once you close the transformer oil tank, you have to turn on here and you have to turn on here. So this says the HT should be off. HT should be off, but main should be on. This indicator says the main switch is on, HT is off. The next procedure is check for unit ready indicator. If unit ready indicator is not showing, we have to bring this transformer to 0. See this light. Now you can see this light. This light will turn on if and only if your auto transformer is reading 0. If this light is on, you can start doing the experiment. If light is not on, you should not turn on the experiment. You have to bring back the auto transformer to 0. Once this unit is ready, we have to press this HT on. So now HT on light will glow. You have to start applying the voltage here. So if you start applying the voltage here, you can see the spark in the sphere gap in the window provided. Keep observing. Once the breakdown strength of the oil is reached with so much kilovolt I applied, you can see the spark in the sphere gap. This is the spark you have seen. So, but the voltmeter is already gone to 0. When I start applying this voltage, it has gone to 0. I could not notice what is the voltage value. So, in order to read that value, there is a memory push button. If you press memory push button, okay, once you press this button, if you press, this voltmeter will show at what voltage this oil has breakdown. So that value you have to record in this tabular column. The first trial, so much of voltage is breakdown. Then second trial you have to do after 15 minutes gap. That means the transformer oil should come down to a normal temperature. Then you have to do the second reading. And again note down what is the breakdown voltage by pushing the memory button. Same way do 5 trials. Then you have to do the calculation, that is breakdown voltage divided by gap distance. Gap distance we already know the value. Then breakdown voltage is the mean value of all these trials. The mean value of all this trial voltage divided by gap distance, you will get the breakdown strength. For example, if you get 13 or 14 kilovolt per mm, that means the transformer can able to withstand 14 kilovolt per mm of the liquid.